I don't like the way your shower looks, get a new one. I spent only $850. That was with acrylic walls, a new shower door, and a new tub. Do not get a cheap tub. I spent about $350 in the tub. Demoing was pretty easy. I just cut the caulking on the ends and then just broke down the walls. It wasn't too long. Took me about 2 hours. Working with tiles is a lot of cleanup. There's a lot of debris, a lot of dust, and a lot of pieces. So just make sure you clean everything, breaking it down and putting it back. You have to wipe tiles over and over and over. That's a big part of it. So that way your tiles
You
can
can
look
see
nice
what
and
the
clean.
shower
That's how the
looked like
shower
right
was. I broke down the walls, took it off the walls, threw it away, took out the tub, and I had to readjust for the new tub. And there you go. I did tile around the walls and the back. It came out looking pretty good. I used something that matched the doors. That's one of the main things. But what I didn't do is put in a new toilet. For the next time, I recommend a new toilet as well. Thank you very much.